How to download voice clip from Messenger. First things first, open up your Messenger app on your phone. Next, go to the chat where the voice clip is located. Now, we're going to record your screen so we can capture the voice clip. Tap on the voice message to play it. Make sure the sound is loud and clear and let the voice clip play completely. Once the voice clip has finished playing, stop your screen recording. Now, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar of your browser, type video to MP3 converter and hit enter. Pick the first website that comes up in the search results. Look for one that allows you to convert video files into MP3 format. On the converter website, find the button that says something like Choose Files or Upload Video. Tap on it, then find and select the screen recording you just made. After you've uploaded the screen recording, look for a button that says Convert or something similar. Tap that button to start the conversion process from video to MP3. Once the conversion is done, you'll see a download button. Tap it to save your new MP3 file to your phone. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to download voice clips from Messenger and convert them into MP3 files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn. See you next time.